going on, everyone? Derek here today, bringing you all another video. Thank you all so much for tuning back in. If it's your first time stopping into the channel, welcome. Click that subscribe button, click that bell notification icon. And with today's video, it's going to be revolving around my 1999 Mustang GT, also known as Blue2Valve. And based off the title and thumbnail, wow, boys, we had a crazy scare. I do have some footage to show you based around this subject. I wasn't filming or anything like that when it happened, so I did just pull out my phone and kind of film the aftermath. But to go and fill you in, the squad and I went out. We went to go get some ice cream down the street, and thankfully it was down the street. And you know, on the way back home, we did get a little bit rowdy, and I decided to do a nice little pull in the car, second to third into fourth. And then when I got into fourth gear, like when I was revving it out in third, I shifted into fourth, and then all I saw was smoke. Tons and tons and tons of smoke. It was even so bad that it was coming through like the transmission center console area, and it filled the whole entire cabin. And you know, it's just pouring out of the hood, and it was crazy. Like, there was just so much smoke that there was a couple things that went through my mind. Thing number one, the motor's gone. I completely blew the car up, and yeah, that's all she wrote. Thing number two was I blew the car up, and the thing's literally about to catch fire because that's how much smoke there was. And you know, when it happens so quick, you don't really know what to think. So thankfully, we were actually right in front of the complex here, not too far away, and I kind of just, you know, coasted in. And I did notice though, the car still had power, so like I did have to put it in like first or second gear up here to drive it back here. And you know, it was driving fine. I didn't hear any rod knocks, I didn't hear anything weird. It was just smoke. So when I parked the car, that's where this clip is going to come into play that I'm going to show you guys. And after you see that, we are going to be taking a look for the first time in 2 weeks at the car. We're going to see what happened, what failed, what we can find, see if we can get a little fix for it, and you know, see if we could drive Blue2Valve in today's video as well. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. At the time of this recording, I do not know if this thing is fixable or what happened yet. So this is going to be, you know, this is all shot beforehand, so it's got to be interesting. By the way, fam, as you saw from the cinematic in the beginning of this video, the new Blue2Valve DBP Squad Stang Gang merch is now live. As you can see, we have this awesome DBP paint splattered logo directly in the middle of the shirt. And then if you look at the back, not too well how you can see it, but we got that Blue2Valve Stang Gang shirt. So you guys can find these shirts on 9togrind.shop. They are extremely limited, and once they're sold out, they are sold out forever. I'm never bringing the design back, and whoever gets one gets one. All the support is greatly appreciated, guys. If you want to go check them out, 9togrind.shop. They're gonna go fast. Get one now while you can, and if you do, thank you so much. Love y'all. But let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Oh shit, boys. Alright, I see a lot of coolant. I don't know if it just got too much pressure and it exploded everywhere. I thought this was on fire for a minute though. Did you see all the smoke? Yeah. I wonder why I did that. I hope I didn't blow like a head gasket. I thought I blew that bitch. Dude, I tried to park this so fast, I thought it was on fire.
I just kept seeing smoke. I looked at him and I was like, is that normal? He was like, no.
I must have just doused it in coolant, huh? How the f did that happen? Well, how so much though? I do be beating the piss out of this thing.
Yeah, you sent it and then I saw smoke. I was like,
I thought I blew it up 100%. 100%. Look how soaked it is back here.
It seems like it came from back there. That's where Alan's was when his leak. Oh, it was right there. Yeah,
where?
Right here. Right there. Yeah, I see it too. Right here. That hose right there that's coming out the heater cord.
Oh, yeah. Well, I guess that's kind of a good thing, huh?
Yeah.
I thought I blew it. I thought she was gone. This motherfucker was smoking.
That had to happen to me, bro, one time in a 2x.
Oh, really? In the 5.0?
No, in a 2x.
Oh, yeah?
I was like, that was my first time driving a 2x ever. I was getting it, and then...
Damn, I gotta figure out a way to keep that bitch down. It can't keep doing that after every pull.
Yeah, if you get a clamp with like the screw style.
Jeez.
Hell yeah, that shit was super wet back there.
Yeah. Oh, yes.
And that's why it was coming through so easy.
Yep, dripping down.
That shit was probably coming right back through the fucking hood.
Dude, my whole interior was smoked through the fucking the center console. I thought for sure it was toast because I just did a fat rip on this bit. First thing I thought it was building a motor. It's like, fuck. I'm glad that's all it is. Hopefully that's all it is. No damage done. We got lucky.
You put some more coolant in and get that
Damn, I'm a fucking idiot. I need to chill out. I'd be beating the piss out of this car. Yeah, but let's get it. Let's get it, guys. Blue 2Valve. As you guys probably could tell, I was super nervous and kind of broke my heart. Check it out. Let's get this hood popped. And bing. Hey, hey, hey. Okay, here we go. You can see it is definitely disconnected, and this tube right here is what allowed this whole entire thing to go up in smoke, and me nearly shat in my pants because I thought it was on fire. No joke, it was that much. I'm sure if you've ever seen a car blow a radiator hose and all that coolant goes on the steaming hot engine and exhaust, it can cause a lot of smoke. If I take it to the track and it did that, so help me God, everybody there would have been jumping on my case, because that's one mess you don't want to happen at the drag strip. They would have been prepping that damn track all night. Alrighty, let's get a grip on this clamp. Get this bad boy, oh my God, and it freaking reeks like coolant in here. It's back on. And I kind of like force it on, but let's see how much pressure it takes to pull off. Like, I'm just gonna see, that came off way too easy. I do not like that at all. Maybe the clamp has to be down a little more. Let's try that. Maybe like a warm clamp would be a little bit better than these little pinch clamps, but it doesn't seem that tight, which worries me a little bit. So we got the antifreeze filled. You can probably see inside the tank there, it's kind of at the fill line. We're gonna let this car idle for a bit because it has to go through the whole system right now. And we're gonna see what comes out of it. Hopefully nothing leaks, you know, hopefully this tube back here holds up. Still not liking it, but we just gotta see what we're working with real quick. And then, you know, we'll go from there. All right, that sounds good, that sounds good. I don't see any leaks or any seeping coming from that hose. Good sign. A little bit of coolant because it splashed everywhere. I don't know if you can tell from the hood, but there's like marks all over the place. Let's check this level really quick before it gets too hot. All right, I mean, it's not too bad. I could use a little bit. Do you have any leaks going on down here? I saw that little wet mark right there, but that's just because I just spilt it. But no, I don't see any leaks. What the f is underneath my car? Y'all see that? Is that a bag? Just hoping that thing freaking stays on there. What I want to test here is just drivability. I just want to drive it around, see if, you know, everything stays fine. I got to do a couple pulls just to see if that pops off really quick. You know, right now it's just all testing, so we're just going to go with that and then go from there. I think I might be leaking. Fuck, man. Where is it coming from? See this mark? I don't know if it's old or if it's new. It's definitely burning off some old shit. I see puddles of it back there, so I think it's old. No puddles yet. I am so scared to get into it right now. Just scarred from last time. Looks like our temps are staying good, so that's a plus. Now I guess it's just time to do a watt. Let's give her a little first. Any smoke? I think it held together. It's definitely running a little rough. I don't know why it's doing that. We might have to try and change out the VCT, I think is what it's called, the little sensor. She's running a little rough today. I guess you could say it held. I don't know. I didn't quite rev it to 6K. Probably like 57-ish. I smell that stuff still burning off though. I don't know. I'm a freaking mess, guys. I'm a freaking mess because I want to take this car out and I want to go, you know, beat on it a little bit, but if it's going to keep blowing that tube off, that's going to be big beat. I'm not trying to deal with that every single time I do a pull. Look at this dude. He's always sitting outside. He just sits out there. He sits out there at his trunk, drinks his like fucking Jack and Coke, rum and Coke or whatever, and listens to music. I am very happy. That's all it seems to be. If you classify yourself as an OG subscriber and you've come to the channel ever since you saw Blue2Valve for the first time, oh my goodness, bro. Do I have coolant in the car? That is a lot. That is a lot of coolant. Unless it was just like sitting on the K-member and all throughout the engine bay and stuff, which I'm sure it was, but oh my lord, do I have a different leak that I may not know of? No way. I'm gonna let this cool down. I was gonna exit this video. If you do classify yourself as an OG subscriber and Blue2Valve is what brought you to the channel, go support your boy. Get yourself a DVP Squad Stang Gang shirt with Blue2Valve on there. You can even see we got the little DVP logo in the grill, and on the front, again, the DVP logo with some paint splatter. Premium quality, you're getting your money's worth. And, you know, obviously a premium design. This isn't going to wash off or anything. This is a really, really high grade, not even screen print. It's better than that. So this is going to last you a long time, guys. And I want to see all my New Edge boys rocking the New Edge shirt. If you guys would support, man, I would greatly appreciate it. It does go a long way. And yeah, this goes a long way too. I'm definitely a little worried now. I did not see that when I left. Lord have mercy on my soul. Just trying to see if there's any more leaks going on. Someone jacked it?
This shit's dope.
Appreciate it, man. Why'd you hide your scale in the plant?
I don't know. So I don't want to take it with me, but at the same time, I definitely just fucking
Bro, you got me tweaking.
I mean, shit.
Someone probably found it, dude. I saw some dudes digging in this one because I think they did something to the tree. They probably stole your shit.
That's fucked. You need some gas though?
No, I don't need any gas. If anything, I need some coolant, to be honest with you. I don't know if you could tell.
Is your shit loud?
No, it's pretty quiet, for real. But
I got the little V6 in here.
yeah, oh yeah, let's hear it. Rev it up. Let's hear this thing. Oh yeah, she's bad. All right, bro. This guy literally stops next to me. He's like, yo, this is gonna be weird, but I buried my scale in one of these trees because I went out of town. Someone jacked this shit. Oh man, dude, I don't know what was going on. Oh yeah, we got some coolant in there. All right, well, must have been just stuff sitting, so I'm not gonna worry about it right now. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please drop a like up on the video. Blue2Valve seems to be a-okay. Thank the Lord. It looked a lot worse than what it was, so remember guys, if your car goes up in smoke, don't worry, don't panic, stay in the car, do not rush to get out. Everything's a-okay. And today's EBP vlog shout out is going out to Dark2V. Thank you so much for your continued support, man. And make sure you guys go check him out on Instagram. If any of you watching right now want a chance to win a shout out on the vlogs, it's super simple. All you have to do is head over to Instagram and follow me at DerekBaranProductions. And whenever you post a photo, include the hashtag DVP Squad in all your posts. At the end of each video, I head to the hashtag, I see you used it, and boom, shout out. Again, merch is now live alongside some ancient DVP Squad first drop merch from 2015. I have about 7 pieces that are up for sale that are extremely old, and I just came across them in a box, so I'm gonna let you guys have first dibs at them. See you guys tomorrow, 8 p.m. Eastern time. Y'all have a blessed day. But until next time, we'll see you later.